Bro, this should be looking good as fuck, gangs. Should be looking good as fuck. We have so many potential setups today. Finally, let's just focus on, I don't know, taking it proper, right? On taking it as we should. Let me, as usual, share this shit with my Discord just for routine's sake. Boom, 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 boom. Where's my one second? Oops. Yes, sir. Let's see. It looks good as fuck. Geo looks good for shorts. The only thing slightly iffy is that we have a bit of resistance, but this just looks like stack liquidity for me. I would be scared normally to buy into this, but the thing is, the consolidation got mitigated here on this. Then we reverse. We come off this top supply or this top FVG that we have, and then we just react lower. And keep in mind, we are also in an area of strong consolidation, so this really makes sense to see some shorts right now. I would say overall where we're drawing probably like right now is going to be towards this. Like I just see this retest, like this is the point of no return, holding towards these Asian low at least, like this stacked Asian lows. We have very nice equal lows though, so it looks good. Like already we don't have a 50-minute inversion, but we have an hourly inversion, and the 50-minute is just fucked. On the 5-minute it's visible as well. So yeah, if we break lower like straight out of the bat, I'll look at this probably as a level to break below. Yeah, like this can be a good trade. And we don't have unemployment claims. I don't know what that shit was, to the point where it was saying like something like tentative or some shit, but it just disappeared. So Geo looks good, AU looks good. Let me see. AU looks good as well. Like again, we came off buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. We have 3 times rated buy side. We inverse where we're reaching towards Asian lows. Asian lows is a good target here. I wouldn't target this because it's a pretty strong area, but I would target definitely Asian lows. So all of these are looking good. UK the same thing, but UK we have these equal lows just waiting to get taken. UJ same thing, equal lows to get taken. So we have a lot of opportunities. What I would prefer, I think the most would be UJ. Like if we break lower, we just have these lows waiting to get taken. Again, we're extremely fucking bearish here. We just came off this hourly gap at the top here. We inversed, and overall I'm still like, my draw is this wick. We're coming here, even though it's a 4-hour gap. 1 hour nothing, 50-minute nothing, so it loses a lot of relevance. And yeah, it was cleared first with this here, so it looks good. Low resistance, not strong. It just looks good though. A lot of setups looking good right now, so we're just gonna be seeing if we have something, but it does look good. Also have this buy sell liquidity rate. I'm really seeing the shorts continue towards this low. I don't see a way of reversing. I don't know if I'm tripping, even though if we're kind of consolidating here at this point. Again, look at how we behaved above Asian highs here. Look at this buy sell liquidity rate here. Look at these two. It's just very hard signaling we're reaching here and here. This would be again where I would draw like higher time frame, or where I would draw like long term. This would be also or draw higher time frame, but again, I'm just taking my take profit. Where's the first objective? I want to see a deeper pullback though into this if possible. And yeah, it just looks really fucking good on breaking. Like this can just break straight out the bat here, just like a decent stop loss. Look at this FVG, decent stop loss 1.2. Yeah, inversion is pretty low in the price leg. That's why we don't have high R. If the inversion would have been here, we'd have had way more R, but we're just gonna take what the market is giving me. And UJ same, the gap is just very low in price, so we don't have a big idea, but I'm taking it, bro. I'm taking the shit, whatever it is. I want to see this gap get taken. Long time no see, yeah, bro. I haven't seen you in a while, bro. How are you? How are you, Assad? Or Ahad? How do I pronounce? Not Assad, Ahad. Ahad. I'm sorry. I think that's your name, right? How are you, bro? I was just busy on working on my trend. Nice, bro. Good job. You did good, bro. You did good. We're just looking for some settle. We look like we didn't miss much. I didn't have a lot of trades until now, so we didn't miss much. But how are you, bro? What did you change on your? Did you change things on your strata or? Yeah, this looks. I like this UG trade, but I don't know. Um, yeah, we need to see something more probable. Let's see. I need to log in my broker account 1 second. Because, yeah, these are UJ. These are all trades that I can take on my personal as well. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to say no. Let's see. This looks good, bro. I ain't going to lie. Like, even with this highly resistant scenarios, I've seen this pattern a lot of times, which is what we react of. It can be this, though. But I would still say we're taking that low. We take the first low. We always take this first low. We can react long term of this one, but I wouldn't say that. I do like this 50-minute at the top here, so we might. Oh yeah, it's actually my zone here. So smartest way, definitely wait for this. The smartest thing we can do in terms of quality, in terms of idea, in terms of how long the idea is. Definitely waiting for that. I don't know if I'm gonna take that. If we're gonna break lower, I'm probably gonna take this GU one. But I would like to see a deeper pullback even on GU. On GU it's a bit better because range is balanced, so it wouldn't be such a deep need of retracing. We also have this 5-minute gap here, so GU I'm expecting to break a bit earlier than AU, but we're gonna see. We actually have to lock in. We might actually have trades today. Fine, bro. What about you? A couple of small changes and a couple of a lot of data. That's good, bro. That's good. That's good. That's what I want to hear, and I want to hear you not forcing trades. That's the most important part of you trading right now. Is not forcing trades. It's very important. But yeah, we actually have a lot of opportunities, bro. It's been a fucking while. I didn't expect this to happen. To actually get a trade today, but we gotta stay grounded. We gotta stay focused. That's the only thing that matters here. I'm definitely waiting. Like thinking about the most consistent decision is definitely the most consistent decision is waiting for this to get taken. If you want to trade AU, this 50-minute gap, easy equal lows here, and we're also waiting for market open. So that's kind of perfect timing for price. Yeah, definitely want to see this filled. Definitely. GU we don't need. I would like to see this swept still, but we don't need to wait for that. It would be nice to see it still. I really see us going lower here massively, even with this high resistance though. Even with this, I see us drawing here. Maybe I'm stupid, but intuitively I like this. I don't know if I'm forcing in a sense, like psychologically, but I just see this going here. I just see it happening. Every time I look at it, I see it happening. You trying my hardest not to force, yeah, bro. Not that great, not that great. I actually a bit in drawdown now. Let me show you. Not that great because I did some mistakes on this account. I took a pretty big loss. I think a 3% loss, trading a red folder that I didn't realize I'm in. And yeah, that was it. Not doing great. I think yeah, a bit in drawdown, but I'm not worried. Minus 2.7. We're gonna recover. No, not yet, bro. I didn't have even opportunities to get out of drawdown, but yeah, we might be leaving here pre New York. We might be doing that, but if we do, we're gonna have the A1, so we have a lot of opportunities. There's no need to worry. I don't really see UK necessarily being bearish here, but look, we have this, so this is gonna be added confluence. We need to see this shit get inversed for us to trade. But yeah, it's looking good. The DAX is not in. The rest of the pairs are just not in. Sorry for breaking your ears, but yeah, this is gonna be where our new alert is gonna be placed. It does depend how the candle closes, but yeah, I would say top tier is AU and UJ, definitely here. Kind of looks like it's breaking, but I don't know. It does, like, it looks so easy to go lower at this point in price. Yeah, definitely the point of no return. Even the rebalance looks solid, but I'm not gonna be trading pre New York, not 10 minutes before New York. Even if it works, yeah, this was the idea, but cannot do shit. Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro. But I'm not worried. I know my strategy, bro. I just did some stupid mistakes. That's pretty much it. But rather than that, shit happens. Yeah, definitely, bro. That's what I think also. And thank you for supporting, for always supporting. But yeah, we should see this. Let's see DXY. DXY is iffy. That's why Euro's kind of following DXY. We don't really want to be trading Euro here. Yeah, this also looks good as just holding lower though, but still a risky play. Yeah, this is just, we have to wait for this. Now we have a even buy side here, which is fucking great to see. Let's remark this FVG like here to just have a better idea and see it more clearly. And yeah, we have this buy side just waiting to get taken here, which is great for our idea. Fixed RR because I always got greed and tried to target more R. Nice, bro. Nice, that's a good move, bro. That's a very good move for you. Nice one. That's gonna help a lot. Yeah, I had the same issue, not gonna lie. What's up? Chillin', bro. How about you? We're looking at some trades. We might finally have something. UJ looks a bit bullish though, gangs. We're just chilling. Yeah, looks like it's gonna break, but of course not gonna take it. Maybe demo, sure. On the demo I'm done to do it. But of course I cannot trade this time in. Yeah, that's a very good move by you, bro. Good job. That's really gonna protect you against your weakness, and long term is gonna produce a lot of good results. So that's a very good move by you. But what is your fixed star? Is like 2, or what is your fixed star? I think we definitely, like, if we inverse this, we can even look at the continuation lower, I would say. Yeah, even with this, it's too voided. I wouldn't consider this a POI, is too big. It doesn't really mean much. This, yeah, this, maybe. 3R. That's good. In my opinion, a bit high. I would go for 2. That's what I would recommend people, but if that works for you, that's good. That's everything that matters if it works for you. See, probably Gio is rejecting this as well. Yeah, see, this is why you gotta wait for timing. Bitch ass, this is why you gotta wait for timing, bruh. Fucking gambler that trades in New York lunchtime. Bruh. I don't know if you're still watching this, but yeah. Naija, you. I'm pointing fingers. Can do a quick view on BTC. Yeah, let's see. I mean, it's not such a bad idea. It's just that we are exactly in my POI. Yeah, this is a good POI. I did say this for a long time that this is a good POI. But let's see lower time frame. Yeah, I would wait for a bit of confluence before shorting. I would wait for this to get broken. If this gets broken, I would short. Yeah, nice, bro. That's good. That's a good move. I would wait for this to short. Right now, it's not giving any signs. If this gets inversed, yeah, I would short. Because buy sell liquidity into this really good 4-hour inverse, we have a high chance of printing lower, but we need confluence. If we break that hourly inverse, we're reaching back here. If we break this hourly, this might be a bit of area of concern, but I still think this is our draw. I would wait for confluence. I mean, we don't have news, bro. We don't have news. Tomorrow, yeah, but today, no. I don't see. It was showing unemployment claims tentative, but it disappeared now. I don't know how that makes sense exactly, but yeah. I don't know how that makes sense exactly. Yeah, let me delete this. The Bitcoin short, I would just wait for the hourly. Yeah, tentative. Yeah, I was confused also. I was like, what the fuck is that? Why is tentative? And now when I check news, it just fucking disappeared. It's not here anymore. I don't know. Yeah, unemployment claims. I don't know what happened. You saw red folder, unemployment claims. I was like, yeah, that's nice news. Then I was checking the hour and it showed tentative. And what the fuck is that? And now it just disappeared. I don't know what that shit was. Yeah, doesn't really look. We might actually be holding that 4 hour, but I would still say we're gonna reach into this rejection block though. We'll see. We're still waiting on that inversion, so this is gonna be our trigger to take in lower prices. If not, we're looking at AU. That again, hopefully doesn't break straight out of market open. I'm gonna go smoke real quick. I'm gonna be back. This is my criteria. Here is what I'm waiting for. If we get this, we have nice R. We have pretty much everything we need. And on GU, kind of the same. I would want to see some buy sell liquidity getting raided here. I would still want to see. I want to see this early sellers get stopped out, meaning this demo trade gets stopped out, and then I can take those shorts. But I would still prefer AU probably more than GU. shit, I didn't know why it's so fucking cold. I have my window open, bro. It's so cold in Romania, bro. It's like fucking winter and shit. See, I don't really like one thing about I was looking at this. I don't like the fact that we are rejecting the bottom of this inverse like this. That's what I don't really like about this geo trade. But like, what I probably prefer trading is gonna be AU and UJ. They just look better. So probably this is what I'm gonna stick to. I don't know if I'm gonna trade you unless I see something like that really screams, oh yeah, we're shorting. Nice, bro. Oh, so fucking cold, bro. Yeah, bro. You're sweating while I'm fucking freezing. I have one hoodie on me, almost two hoodies on me. That's how cold it is. Yeah, humidity is fucked, bro. That really makes things so much worse. Let me play some Lofi. But yeah, I do like this AU though. I do like us pursuing lower prices here, and we are forming a bullish gap here, which would be nice, like sweeping that shit, sweeping this high, tapping if possible this order block, then inversing that shit would be perfect. Boo, fuck. Nah, I ain't switching no weather. I don't like I don't like hot. Let's see. We're building this one. Can you hear my music, or can you hear it from my mic? Like, yeah, I think now it's chilling. I don't know if it's too loud or not. I've been wearing shorts, goddamn, on a fucking long pants, shirt, hoodie, and a fucking wardrobe. How the fuck is that called? Let me see. Translate. Coat, a coat. Yeah, a hoodie and coat. Oh my god. Oh, okay, the G1 got stopped out. That's good. We're gonna watch both right now. I mean, you should be able to hear it though. It's just kinda, I don't know. Should I make it higher? Let me see. Let me pause it for a sec. Bro, this should be looking good as fuck, guys. Should be looking good. Let me see. It's just kinda, oh yeah, it's not hearable. I need to up it. Now you should hear it. Like, now it's impossible not to hear it. LED? You hear it? Oh, my bad. I made it too high now. This is probably chilling though. Chilling volume. Yeah, this is good. On the break lower, I'm taking this shit. The only thing, I would still want to see a deeper pullback just for safety of stop loss. Geo is weaker, but I don't know. I don't really trust it that much right now. And also UK looking like it's breaking. Oh, I wanted to do this. Just watch both UK and Geo. Geo is, AU is a bit stronger though. Is a bit stronger, so we're gonna see. UJ we have an alert set, and UK as well. So if price eventually breaks, we're gonna have alerts. This is good. This is good because yeah, we start being. Oh wait, should I get ready to execute? The only thing iffy about this is my stop loss. Yeah, I don't know if I'm taking it on these highs right there. I don't think I'm taking it. I'm not taking my chances with this. With this high right here, I need to see that shit swept right now. I need to see that shit swept. It's too risky. I can't do it. I can't do it, sadly. I mean, I think it's a no copyright music, I'm pretty sure. I'm not entirely sure about that. Geo, I need to see some health. I need to see something that makes me confident in taking this. This doesn't make me enough confident. Yeah, the AU is looking good, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna take it with this high present here. I just cannot take it. I cannot take it realistically. So probably gonna reject the entry, sweep that shit, and then go lower. If we do that, yeah, I'm willing to take that shit. But like this, yeah, I can't take it. It's too risky. It's too risk, so I ain't gonna gamble. Not now. With passion? No, I don't know if I play with passion. I don't know if I'm gonna play with passion. Um, I don't know. Depends on how much I like the game, though. It depends how much I like it, but I cannot tell you right now if I'm gonna play with passion or not. I have to try it first. I mean, I don't know why I'm placing an alert. I'm gonna watch anyways. Yeah, and anyways, we did reject the VG here. We can also support this move lower and start breaking, but I still don't take my chances with that. I still wouldn't take my chances. You can go YouTube. I mean, I think I saw it. I think I had one friend of mine that was playing it, but I will look. I don't know, maybe after the trading session's over. I'm just gonna open a tab to not forget. I know it's like, in a sense, random, isn't it? Like, you're just doing tasks and shit. And it's with monsters. It's like a 3D version of Among Us. I don't know if I would play with passion. For fun, yeah. But it would be fun, but I cannot guarantee you that I'm gonna play with passion though. So I mean, I'm gonna look at it. I will not say give me it right now just to waste your money. Just let me see first. Let me see first. I'm gonna look after the stream. I don't want you to waste your money like that. I wanna see this. Joe is flipping nice here, but I don't trust this. I don't trust the consolidation. If it would have been a bit cleaner price action, maybe I would have taken this here. It looks clean, but it's too risky. And stop loss is in a pretty decent spot. It would have been crazy fucking R because of this entry being small, but it's a one candle displacement. It might fucking work, but I'm not taking my chances on this consolidation. I mean, true. It looks good though, but too risky. Still, I want to see this consolidation get broken. Oh my god, it looks fucking good. Yeah, I do agree. But yeah, I don't know if I'm taking my chances into this inversion. If we don't break this consolidation, it's useless. But it looks really good how we fucking reacted of that shit right there. We sweep the high, we filled fully the gap, and then we inverse. If we didn't have that consolidation, I would have definitely taken it. If we had a bit of a better price action. Oh my god, we're melting. You can take. I am considering taking this though, but that would be kind of garbage R still. Oh my god, look how AU flipped. Yeah, see why you gotta wait, bruh. Why you gotta wait for these stuff. Like, you see, I mean, I don't know, this still is a very risky entry. I still would just see it as FOMO unless we break here. But thinking in terms of, okay, let's imagine we get a good displacement, we would have a 1.5. But after that rejection, I don't know, I kind of doubt that we're just gonna fucking melt. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe we retest here, then break. Even like, yeah, it's just weird. I don't like this PA. I don't like this PA, gangs. This is a bit better. Like, if we see a strong break now, it is a bit better on taking the shorts, but still this high. It's just likely on getting taken. Yeah, but see how strong we rejected of that middle of the consolidation. That's why, bro. That's why. Don't fucking chase. Don't chase. Don't force intuition saying I need to wait for this strong consolidation to break. I'm waiting for it. Would have been fucking destroyed in a couple of seconds. For what, really? Just kept getting FOMO and shit. Oh my god, this looks good on AU, bro, but I cannot take it. Legitimately, I cannot take it until this high gets taken. It's really about also being patient, bro. Oh my god, this looks so good, bro. It is good. I like how we failed the lower high here, and if we sustain the break lower, we're pretty much gonna go. But I'm not sure. I still want to take it. The high didn't have such a deep mitigation to the point where I would say, yeah, we're not taking this high. Yeah, I cannot take it. Even though I want to, can't do it. Can't do it. But it looks very good. But I'm just not taking my chances. It looks very fucking good. I mean, we kind of did reject the close. I'm down to do a demo again, but not gonna force shit. Not now, not any fucking time. Not gonna ever fucking force. But it does look good, that's for sure. But we did kind of reject, like, what I would have wanted to see here is a lot more movement lower. A lot more movement, definitely. See how we're rejecting already? That shit's crazy. Jew looks like it's failing again. I did say we might come and retest this area. I mean, still the same criteria as this level. For me to be taking AO does look good, but come on. Come on, brotellos. See UJ did reject, but it kind of looks like it's still gonna fail though. I'm not sure if I'm tripping or not. I'm just focused right now. I don't know if G was gonna print bearish, considering this consolidation that we're getting. I'm not sure about that. This is good. This is a very good wick. Bro, I'm watching this entry unfold in front of my eyes. I'm not sure again if it's gonna get these taken, but it should. It might be just baiting sellers in, sweep them, then continue. And that would give me even way better R. Like, even if we come here, just think about it. Let's imagine we do this shit. Come here and then give an entry pattern here. Just imagine that shit would have been like way better. Way better in terms of stop loss, way better in terms of R. 2.7. Yeah, but it, oh my god, bro. Watching this trade praying in front of me because it's such a small misalignment between what I want to see, bro. It's annoying, but what can you do? I did want to see that, even if it did mitigate the 50-minute AVG. 5 minutes open. This is not a strong high to say that, yeah, we're not taking this. No. Too risky. Way too risky. But it makes me want to yell. Definitely. I'm curious what Euro's doing. Nothing. Nice. USD CAD, goofy ass. 2 4 trades already. Like one was here. 2 4 trades skipped. Yeah, of course, even 4 trades can end up winners. But not gonna do this shit. It did wick really fucking well here on the inversion. Nah, I do trade, but I didn't take it. It's too troll. I trade the same way. I trade both. Just sometimes I do forget to trade the personal, and it's at a pretty small balance right now. It's only at gold fucking destroyed me. It's only at 44. Gold destroyed me. That's why I have a hate relationship with gold. Gold destroyed me on the personal. Yeah, see, one skipped, could have been a loss. This is why you don't fucking force. Second, might as well. This looks like he's gonna get fucking stopped out as well. This is why you don't force, and I'm sure you already know this. The hard part is just not doing it, no matter how you feel. Because trust me, I want to fucking trade. I want to trade. I want to take a trade. I want to do something, but I cannot just throw myself in trade. Then I'm gonna fucking lose. Then I'm gonna fucking feel bad because I forced a trade. Like, come on. Patience. No matter if you're in drawdown, no matter where you are, patient, bro. Patience. Already skipped a loss here with this fucking wick. And this looks like it's probably a loss as well. We're just waiting for volatility to settle a bit. Maybe come back, sweep the high. And then if we react on down, I'm not really scared of this consolidation. Or we might just flip bias also. But I don't really think that's gonna happen. I definitely need to see this broken. Now this is the criteria for this trade. Or we can just hold lower, higher because of high resistant prices. That can also happen. But yeah, we need to be careful at this. Patience. That's it. I mean, it looks like it's building mini order flow here, mini bearish order flow, but still same fucking thing. We get that, I'm trading. We don't get it, I'm not trading. As simple as that. Unless intuition really screams at me, but until now it doesn't fucking scream to take this shit. DAX fucking rallied once again as usual. Not trusting this shit, not ever. What did you guys talk about? What is this? The G. What is the pair? Is this GBP AU? The fuck? Wait, this actually isn't that bad in terms of how we moving. I mean, take my words back. I take my words back. Still stalling. But we're just wait for volatility to settle. Today's a low probability, so we either might not do shit right now and only leave in silver bullet, or we might just wait the first 30 minutes of market open. Bro, I love these low fees because there's birds fucking chirping. This is such nice, bro. When I hear birds chirping are fucking music to my ears. I love that shit. More than everything else, bro. I mean, even, yeah, still, my criteria still stays the same. If we happen, we happen. If we don't, we don't. Oh my god, bruh. Bro, stop sending me TikToks. If you wanna send TikToks, send me to my fucking profile. I cannot. Um, I cannot. I mean, I know how the game is. I just don't know if I would enjoy it though. I mean, it looks fun. It looks funny, but I'm not sure. I don't know what you're supposed to do in the game. Oh shit. The Rubik's Cube?
Jesus Christ. Yeah. Yeah, we're cool. Don't worry about me. Take it back! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! You can have it back! You can have it! You can have it! I want it! They stuck it!
I don't know, bro. I cannot say it attracts me, and I don't know. Aren't there like cooler games we can play? What games can? Shouldn't we make a Minecraft server, bro? Like I would enjoy Minecraft so much more. I mean, don't take it. I don't know. Don't get mad at me, but I don't know if I would play this game. Can we like now make a Minecraft server and just play Minecraft? I think it will be chill and nice. But I'm not sure. Or what? I don't know. Or Peak. Maybe play Peak. That game does look fun, bro. Where is it? I'm down to try it, but it depends how much money we're talking. How much it is. I mean I have it bought anyways. I used to be a big Minecraft player. It would be nice to play like the whole server plays in Minecraft and shit. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. It's gonna be way more fun for you since you haven't played it. I wanted to look at Peak. It looks more fun to me. Like again, no offense. This game looks more fun. Yeah, I mean it's not. It's like €6. This looks way more fun. Not gonna lie. Very positive reviews. The Diddy Daily Mini Update. Or Minecraft though. I don't think Minecraft is free, by the way. I think you can get it cracked, but I don't think it's free. It would be fun. It's fun. Minecraft is definitely fun. It would be nice to play like the whole server playing Minecraft. That shit would be nice. Red folders tomorrow. This guy, bro. I would if I would have money. I told you I'm fucking broke, bro. I'm dead broke. Dead broke. I have money to even €4 I don't have on my card. I don't have it, bro. Even €4 I don't have. And I'm not asking my parents because it's a rough period even for them. Gotta wait until I get that payout, gangs, or you buy it for me, however you want it, but I wouldn't like you buying it for me though. Yeah, I legitimately don't have even €6. I legitimately don't have. Not even that, gangs. It is what it is, gangy. That's my life for the past 3 years. You borrow me? I would borrow you. When you get payout, you give your money back with fucking 10% bonus. I mean, €6, yeah, sure, bro. I mean, I wouldn't call me miserable, bro, because I'm doing YouTube, bro. But yeah, we can play Peak if you want. And Minecraft. I would play Peak with you if you promise to play Minecraft as well. It would be really fucking cool, the whole server to play fucking Minecraft. Also, I found a name for the community, which, bro, like, it's such a unique name. That's fucking clean. Like, even for a brand, it's like this. It's so nice, bro. It looks so good even when you write it. Why like this? Why the parentheses? Because it's two fucking words. It's heard and heard. You get what I mean? It's such a fucking cool name because herd is like a crowd in a sense. It's like an animal crowd. Let me see what is the definition of herd. Herd meaning a large group of animals. I mean, we're not animals, but that's what it signifies in herd, because your struggles are heard in this group. That's why this group was created, for your struggles to be heard and for us to share the same journey. And that's why this name even looks cool as fuck with this parentheses. Bro, I would do this in a clothing brand, bro. I play something new. Retire. Wait, I cannot see but this looks so cool. I would do this on a clothing brand. I would post the logo on a clothing brand because it looks cool as fuck. Retire? What is you saying, bro? This is a cool name because it has double meaning and it looks fucking cool as fuck. It would be definitely clothing brand worthy. Like this logo, like made cool, bro, would look so fucking good on a hoodie or on some shirt, bro. It would look so fucking cool. It's crazy. It just came to me last night, like randomly. I was sleeping and I was just thinking, yeah, this is probably gonna be the name for the community and my clothing brand. Probably. Hood. Definitely. This is gonna, yeah, it looks so fucking cool. There is a similar brand that I saw, Bound Clothing, or either Bound or I don't know if I can find them. Bound Apparel or Hound. I don't even remember exactly, but it was a very cool clothing brand. I think Hound. Yeah, Hound. Yeah, these two guys. What do you mean? Hallucinate. You said I play something new or retired. Yeah, this looks cool. Oh my god, look at this side, bro. What? This side is cool, bro. Why doesn't even let me click new game? What? What is this site, bro? What the fuck? Nah, these guys are crazy, bro. Nah, this gotta be the best site I ever fucking seen, bro. Look at this shit, man. What the fuck? Bruh, this, nah. Nah, this is cool, bro. Look at this, bro. Nah, bro, this is cool as fuck, bro. This is the coolest site I've ever seen on clothing brand, bro. What the fuck, Quest? Bro, what? What the fuck is this, bro? Nah. Bro, this site is something else, bro. Not gonna lie, it doesn't click me new game for some reason. But yeah, this is cool, bro. This is definitely the best site I ever seen in terms of like clothing brand and shit. A clothing store, bro. Are you fucking mentally damaged to not be able to figure out that is a fucking clothing store to buy clothes on? Idiot. Idioto. Yeah, I'm gonna make a clothing brand if you didn't know at some point. Yes, sir. At some point. And I'm gonna get clippers with my first pair. How much is a clipper? I need clippers to, yeah, clip my fucking video. How much does a clipper cost? Like very towards lower medium. quality, also editor. Let me, I mean, let's just ask. Film by Clipper, not barber, idiot. Clipper clipping my videos and removing the dead parts. Are you fucking retarded? I mean, paid options. Wait, it does. Oh, so I don't need editors. Am I fucking stupid? I thought I need editors. Bro, people that clip them for me. This guy is damaged. $5 per short? Bruh. That's extremely high. I thought it was gonna lower tier monthly. Bro, I need 8 to 10 clips per fucking day. What do you mean? Oh my fucking god, they're expensive. Oh my god, they're fucking expensive as fuck. I'm gonna clip them myself. Fuck that shit. $5, $10 per clip, making 10 videos per day. That would be $100 per day. That would be like 2K per month just for clippers. Bruh, that shit is crazy. It's a lot of fucking money, not gonna cap. Like, this is a shit setup. Why are we stalling, bro? And are we seriously playing this setup like that? Sad. It did look good, but sad we're playing. I told you the situation I'm in, gangs. I already told you the situation. Bruh. Are we seriously not gonna have a trade again? Bruh, come on, man. Fuck. Why are we so slow, bro? UJ reversed, UK reversed. And now we look like we're reversing as well here on Chew. But yeah, not taking this. Need to see this. It's too much of an important area. But we did rebalance almost equilibrium here. Good movement coming in. Yeah, bro, you're a bad luck, bro. It's all your fault. It's all your fault, gang. Bruh. Look at this displacement. It does look good, but 3.5 until we break here. It doesn't mean shit. Until we break here, this move lower that we got doesn't mean absolutely nothing. But this is unlucky because this trade was good. We just had a very small misalignment that I would have liked to see on this move. I would have liked to see that sweep and then reverse, but we didn't. Sadly. Yeah, it is melting, but yeah, very shit setup. It's a shit setup just by how price behave here. It was really forced. If it would have came here, we would have melted way easier. It's very clear it's a shit setup, but what can you do? What can you do, gangs? Bruh. Oh my god, bruh. It's painful. It's really painful, but I'm gonna wait for my time, gangs. Ugh. I still don't trust that we're just gonna melt lower. Yeah, I do that. I mean, what I do is have a 50-minute inverse or 50-minute AVG, like we have in both cases here. 50-minute inverse, retest of the 50-minute inverse, and then 1-minute entry. Basically, 50-minute inverse, retest of the 50-minute inverse right here, 1-minute entry, take it lower. But the reason I didn't take the trade is the fact that we didn't reach the SPY side. And this right here is just an intuitive close. This is just an area that I don't, in theory, in what my strategy is saying me, I don't have to wait for that to get close below, but intuitively and because of experience, I'm gonna wait for this to get close below. But this, for example, was 50-minute inverse, retest, 1-minute entry here, target, sell side. That's my strategy, but I didn't take it because of that goofy ass liquidity that we had on these highs. So yeah, kind of sad, bruh. And it was a shit trade. I mean, not necessarily a shit trade. It was a good trade, but it was shit that we didn't come above. My stop loss was not safe here, not safe at all. Just a small misalignment, sadly, bruh. I'm gonna go smoke, bro. Oh my god, I actually watched the straight play in front of my eyes, bro. Goofy ass setup, why couldn't we? I mean, I understand the fact that we had a 50-minute AVG, which we mitigated here, but still, bro, still. Maybe we get this break here. But I don't know, what are the chances of us building equal lows here and then reversing, taking this high and then selling off? You never know. I saw this shit happen a lot of times. Considering that the move lower doesn't have momentum, it can definitely happen, and we see that retracing with more sell side and with more reason to target lower, which would be great, but it does depend. Oh my god, bro. This shit fucking melted, bro. Why didn't I? Bro, I didn't even take this trade. This was a demo, gang. I mean, wait, it's not over yet. What if we get a retracement? Sad, sad, sad life. What if we get a retracement here? I'm down to take it on Geo. I mean, this could have even been taken, but I think it's still too risky unless we see that shit. This could have been an idea though. Another idea, but it's just too risky, ganger. I'm not gonna force shit. It's either giving me what I want or I'm not trading. No matter if I came off 2 weeks with not trading, I don't give a shit. I don't give no shits, gangs. But yeah, it did melt pretty fucking nicely. Sad I didn't take it. We didn't get that buy sell liquidity sweep. Bruh. It's exhausting, not gonna lie. I'm fucking burnt out, but all I'm gonna watch is if we reach liquidity or if we reach here before. If we retrace, I'm taking it. If we don't, hell no. Bruh. Oh my god, I'm fucking burned out, bro. I need to take a fucking nap. I'm burned out. This is more tiring than it looks, bro. It's more tiring than it looks. Trading, I think the most draining part is not having trades, because you have to be mentally in check and not control your emotions and not force trades. Yeah, but this, I don't think this was a bad decision. It never will be. The stop loss couldn't be safe here. The stop loss should have been on a sweep and should have been above here. It's too big of a gamble to take. That price will not sweep and come deeper into this big ass gap here. It's just too big of a gamble. So it hurts, but let's be patient. Maybe the market is forgiving. But I don't even know if I want to target in this wicks, gangs. I don't know if I even want to target in these wicks, ganger. Maybe this. Yeah. But even like that. Bruh. I'm burnt out, ganger. Really burnt out. I don't have energy to do shit. And it's not even that I care that I don't have trades. It's just that I'm fucking burnt out. My energy is zero. It's fucking zeros. Sad about this, but what can you do? The market really testing my patience. Like, yeah, let's see how you behave. Yeah, let's see. Do you force? How do you behave when you have almost a valid trade? How do you behave? Do you get annoyed? How do you behave? Do you force a trade? It's really testing. It's like edging. The same it's edging your TP. That's how it's been edging me all fucking week. Bruh. That's how it's been all fucking week. I mean, not week, 3 fucking weeks. Any drawdown? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. Gang lifestyle. Please start trading. It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so fun. Yeah. It's gonna be so fun, guys. Trust. This is gonna be so fun. You're gonna make money in 15 minutes. It's so fun, guys. Trade, please start trading. It's not like you're gonna have weeks where you wake up every single day just to spend 5 hours in front of the charts to not have a trade. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Yeah, that's that is annoying, but what can you do? My time is gonna come, bro. It already starts coming. That's good because I see the market trying to, like, in a sense, get back and really start giving a bit of decent setups, but still not funny. Not funny at all. Haha, start trading, guys. It's fun. We might have this though. See, we might have this. The market is forgiving. God sees my pain, sees me going insane, and wants to give me a trade. But yeah, I don't know about that shit, gangs. Yes, sir. Just wake up. Imagine going to work 3 fucking weeks and seeing your fucking boss like fling your money in your face and just like you fling your money in your face and say, "Nah, you're not getting paid this week," and say that every fucking day you go to work. Him just flexing money in front of your eyes and saying, "Haha, you work for nothing this day also." Ha ha ha. So funny. That's legitimately how this shit feels. Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, I'm watching the fucking pair on 2 screens. That's how you know I'm mentally ill at this point. That's how you know I'm mentally ill. And again, I just scroll back into the same thing. Yeah, I'm mentally ill. I'm over. I'm lost. It's over for me, ganger. I'm screwed. I'm screwed, bro. It's over. I'm never turning profitable ever again. And look, Geo melting off here. Fucking bitch ass Ling Ling, bro. Look at this shit, bro. We break below it. We don't get no retest. We just fucking melt. It's crazy, bro. This shit is crazy. It's really testing me, but I won't break, bro. I never fucking break this shit, but it's fucking whack. Seeing 2 good setups play in front of your eyes. I was thinking about it. Should have I taken this here? Nah. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going crazy. Probably not still. It did mitigate it, which makes its little relevance, but until we close below, we cannot execute. And now it's gonna play my idea in front of my eyes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, I love my life. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I do. Yes, sir, I do. At this point, I'm not even affected anymore. I'm just going crazy. Yes, sir. I love the shit, bro. I love it. And then there's gonna be this goofy ass fucking trade that is at most a 1 hour. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. Bro, I'm tired. I don't think I even want to trade this one. I think I just take a nap at this point. I've been getting beaten up, bro. 2 trades. Playing exactly as I should. 1 goofy ass, 2nd goofy ass. Bruh, 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 bruh. It's such a tired, bro. I don't even have energy, bro. Bro. Man, it took my liquidity and it's over at this point. Why couldn't we just do this though? Like come here, retest the inverse, then break, and then I have an entry. Why, bro? Fuck me, bro. I'm losing my mind. I'm really losing my mind. And I don't think I did a wrong decision. This clearly was not a wrong decision. Like this, I don't doubt this idea about myself. Never, ever. I don't doubt that I should have taken this. This slightly, but still. In terms of like how it's still a 3-minute AVG. I don't know. I don't know about this though. But it played exactly until Asian lows. How I said, bro. Oh my bro, bro, bro. Oh my bro, bro, bro. Bro, I'm going mentally insane. It's a very good inversion. I still don't know. I cannot think in this moment. I'm just too burned out to realize whether I should have taken it here or not. Nah, probably not. Still the smart choice. Even if it would have break, still this something like this would have been the smarter choice, and even like that, we would have been missed. Yeah, consistent decision. That's what I gotta think about. Like, this is the most consistent decision. This is zone intuitively. I would be really cautious at because of this consolidation. We can just hold lower, and until it gets broken, this shit not gonna mean anything. Even if we would have marketed here, we would have got the fill here on the candle close. So it was pretty much impossible to take this. This is how I feel right now. Like this guy. This is how I feel. Bruh. Bruh. Do I even want to take this, bro? I don't even want to trade anymore. It's not even that I hate trading, because I love trading, but it's just tiring as fuck. Bruh. I cannot stop saying bruh. It's the only thing that's resonating in my head at this point. Bruh. Stop loss was clearly not safe. This I have no doubts about. That I should have not taken. But this played perfectly my idea, except we didn't get an opportunity to get involved. 2.3 R. Bro. 2.3 R. 1.6 R. Yes! This would have been almost passing phase 2. Bruh. Bruh. This is a misery. I'm going crazy. I don't know what to feel. I feel like a range of emotions. I just wanna laugh at this point. It's just funny. It's funny, to be honest. It's funny, it's exhausting, and it's annoying at the same time. Bruh. That's just, bro, it's like repeating in my head. I have a bruh fever. I cannot stop saying it. That's just how I feel these days. That's just what I feel these days. Just bruh. That's the only thing. Bruh. I cannot stop saying it. It's on loop in my head. I cannot stop doing it, bruh. Oh my god. I think I'm just ending the stream and I'm taking a fucking nap. Bruh. No way, this definitely not. This still definitely not. Just small misalignments, bro. Small misalignments. The misalignment here was that we didn't get a retrace here before taking the trade, or we just generated this zone that shouldn't really be there. For me to take this trade, I would have probably, if this zone wasn't here, could have even taken it here or even here. But bro, I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm not even annoyed anymore at this point. To be honest, it's just trading. It's just the market. Sometimes you're gonna have ideas. Sometimes you're not gonna have ideas. But it's annoying that it was valid like 80%. Then the last thing, you're not gonna take this shit. Same with this one. Valid food, good trade, good drawn liquidity, good everything, except we don't take this fucking high. Here, we don't break this properly. We only break in fucking metal. We're not getting a retracement. Like, bruh. I cannot stop. I have a bruh fever at this point. I have a bruh fever. Yeah. Nah, this is not real. At this point, the universe is having a joke, or whoever is controlling this shit is just having a joke. It's just laughing. You just look at this guy. Let's troll him the hardest we can. Let's just troll him, bruh. Yeah, I'm done. I'm taking a huge ass fucking nap. I don't care about nothing, bro. Today, I don't care about shit, bro. It's just like, it feels like a meme. Yeah, I'm done, bro. What a fucking meme this day was. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke.